Welcome to Sam Official Tech. In this video, we'll highlight top agricultural machines, from wood chippers to rock pickers, and show how they revolutionize large-scale farming. MDS from Schwing is a powerful concrete pump that is designed for high-efficiency pumping in various construction applications. It delivers concrete smoothly and precisely, ensuring accurate placement at high pressures. This machine is ideal for large-scale projects due to its durability and versatile performance, making it a reliable choice for construction professionals. It's known for its robust build and ease of operation, reducing downtime on job sites. The MMD 120 Hive crane is a versatile agricultural machine designed for lifting and moving heavy loads efficiently. It offers high stability and precision, making it ideal for tasks like loading and unloading materials in farming and construction operations. The X-Cone is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation. It works by creating a smooth, level seedbed while ensuring optimal soil aeration. This results in improved seed growth and better crop yields. The X-Cone is durable, versatile, and suitable for various farming operations. Multi-One mini loaders are compact, versatile machines designed for a variety of agricultural tasks. They feature powerful engines and multiple attachments, making them ideal for tasks like loading, lifting, and transporting materials. Their small size and maneuverability allow them to operate efficiently in tight spaces. The Chemrock KDS50 diamond saw is an advanced agricultural machine designed for cutting and trenching in tough soil conditions. Equipped with a diamond blade, it efficiently slices through hard surfaces, making it ideal for land preparation, drainage work, and other heavy-duty tasks. The Toro Dingo TX1300 compact track loader is a highly versatile agricultural machine designed for tough, uneven terrains. It features a powerful engine and superior traction, making it ideal for digging, lifting, and hauling. With a variety of attachments, it is perfect for various farming and landscaping tasks, ensuring efficiency and productivity. The Python Pothole Patcher is an efficient machine used for repairing potholes in roads and agricultural pathways. It quickly fills and seals damaged areas with high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting repairs. Its compact design allows for easy operation in tight spaces, making it ideal for rural road maintenance. The C295 is a versatile agricultural machine designed for high-efficiency operations. It is primarily used for seed planting, soil cultivation, and fertilizer application. Its robust design and advanced technology allow it to perform in various field conditions, improving productivity and ensuring consistent results for farmers across different crops. The UDS 214 excavator planer is a powerful agricultural machine designed for soil preparation and land leveling. It combines excavation and planning functions, ensuring precise and efficient soil movement. This machine is ideal for creating smooth, even surfaces, making it perfect for farming, landscaping, and road construction tasks. The MVF5 is an agricultural machine designed for efficient field operations like plowing and soil preparation. It ensures smooth soil handling, enhancing crop productivity by improving land structure and facilitating better seedbed creation. Humbore is a high-quality agricultural trailer designed for transporting goods, equipment, and materials across farms and construction sites. With its durable construction, it offers stability and efficient load handling. The Humbore trailer is known for its reliability, easy maneuverability, and versatility, making it ideal for various agricultural transportation tasks. The Piltmaster Evo wood chipper is a powerful agricultural machine designed for efficiently processing wooden branches into fine wood chips. It features a robust engine and advanced cutting technology, ensuring smooth operation and high productivity. Ideal for land clearing, forestry, and mulching, it helps improve farm maintenance and waste management. The spacer is an agricultural machine used for precisely spacing and planting seeds in the soil. It ensures uniform seed placement, improving crop growth and yield. The machine is equipped with adjustable settings, allowing for efficient operation in various field conditions, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. The Aussie's Module Lifter is an agricultural machine designed for handling and lifting modular farming units, such as seedling trays or planting modules. It ensures safe, efficient lifting and transport, reducing manual labor. This machine is ideal for greenhouses and nurseries, improving productivity and reducing the risk of crop damage. The Iron Knight Volvo trucks are heavy-duty machines designed for transporting agricultural goods and equipment. Known for their powerful performance and durability, these trucks are ideal for long-distance hauling on tough terrains. Equipped with advanced technology, they provide excellent fuel efficiency and safety, ensuring reliable transportation in farming operations. The Hilton is an agricultural machine designed for soil preparation and crop cultivation. It helps in efficiently breaking up soil, ensuring better seedbed formation. With its durable construction and adjustable settings, it improves land quality, promoting healthier crop growth and higher yields in farming operations. The MC815 is an agricultural machine designed for efficient crop planting and soil preparation. It features advanced technology for precise seed placement, ensuring optimal crop growth. Its robust design makes it ideal for large-scale farming, improving productivity and reducing manual labor in various field conditions.
The XCMG-XCA model is a heavy-duty all-terrain crane designed for agricultural and construction applications.
It features a high lifting capacity, allowing it to handle heavy loads efficiently. Equipped with advanced technology, the XCA model ensures stable performance on rugged terrains, making it ideal for lifting, transporting, and placing equipment in difficult field conditions. The UDS-211 is a versatile agricultural machine designed for soil preparation and land leveling. It is equipped with advanced technology to perform tasks such as excavation and trenching efficiently. The UDS-211 helps improve soil structure, making it ideal for farming, landscaping, and construction projects, ensuring high productivity and precision in various field conditions.
The Manitou MLTX 961 is a telehandler designed for agricultural use.
It offers high lifting capacity and versatility, making it ideal for tasks like loading, unloading, and transporting heavy materials. With its advanced hydraulics and all-terrain capabilities, the MLTX 961 ensures efficiency and stability in challenging farming environments, improving productivity. The Z20 Mini Loader is a compact and versatile agricultural machine designed for handling various tasks like lifting, digging, and transporting materials. Its small size and powerful engine allow it to maneuver easily in tight spaces, making it ideal for farms, nurseries, and landscaping projects, improving efficiency and productivity. The Holzel XXL is a heavy-duty wood chipper designed for large-scale agricultural and forestry operations. It efficiently processes large volumes of wood and branches into fine chips. Equipped with powerful engines and robust cutting mechanisms, it ensures high productivity and durability, making it ideal for land clearing, mulching, and biomass production. The Cerberus is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient soil preparation and cultivation. With its powerful engine and durable construction, it easily handles tough terrains. It is ideal for tasks like tilling, plowing, and seedbed preparation, enhancing soil quality and ensuring optimal conditions for crop growth in large-scale farming operations. The Quicker Picker rotary rock picker is an efficient agricultural machine designed to remove rocks and debris from the soil. Its rotating drum mechanism picks up stones and unwanted materials, ensuring clean and clear fields for planting.
This machine improves soil quality, reduces manual labor, and enhances crop yield in large farming operations. The HS15E and HS18E Pulsio are advanced agricultural machines designed for efficient soil preparation and crop care. These machines feature precision technology for tasks like seeding, fertilizing, and soil conditioning. Their robust construction ensures high performance in tough field conditions, improving soil structure and promoting healthier crop growth.